Welcome to this video. This is Dr. Kiran, and in this video we'll see the concept of averages, right? Concept of averages. Okay, so averages, as we all know, what is average? Average is sum of all the terms divided by number of terms. Sum of all the terms divided by number of terms. So what are the terms here? So let's say the student gets marks in 5 subjects as 20, 25, 40 and 15 and say 30, right? So these are the marks the students has got in his exam. So total marks, these are the terms here, right? These are terms. So sum of all the terms divided by number of terms. So number of terms are 5 here in this case. So this becomes 20. So this is 40, 40, 80. 80 plus 50 is 130, right? I hope this is yes. 130 upon 5, right? So this is 5 to 10 and 5 6 is 30. So 26 becomes average, right? 26 is average of these numbers. So 26 can be written as sum of all the terms divided by number of terms, or this sum can be written as 26 into 5. This sum is actually equal to average into number of terms, right? Average into number of terms. In the question answer sessions, we will be solving good number of questions on this only, right? So try to get this. This is just a basic stuff we are doing here. So find the average of 38, 342, 42 and 78, right? So this is 8 plus 2 10, 8 plus 2 10, that is 20. So 2 will be carried. 7 plus 2 9 plus 4 13 plus 4 17 plus 3 is 20. So 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So 500 by 4 is 125. 125. So this becomes our average. These are sum of all terms and these are number of terms, right? So this is what the basic concept of averages is, right? So there is one another method of assumed mean, right? This assumed mean will be eligible to apply when the terms are close, right? The terms are close to each other. So if you can see 379, 403, 389, 411 and 427 are quite close to each other, right? So we can assume some specific mean, right? We can assume some specific mean, and that not necessarily that it should be among these numbers only, right? So we'll take a good number, that is 400, which is right, very much doable thing to do. 400 is the assumed mean, right? This is our assumed average. Our assumed average is 400, right? Now the next step, this is, let's say, step 2. We'll calculate deviations. What are deviations? We calculate deviations from average, right? So 379 is how far from 400? Is minus 27, right? 403 is plus 3 from this assumed mean. 389 is minus 11. 411 is plus 11 from 100, the 400, and 427 is 27 plus from this assumed mean, right? Now third step is to add up deviations, right? So let us add up these doses. So if you see, this is minus 11 plus 11 will cancel out, right? So we have total plus 30 and we have minus 21 here, right? So what is net addition? Net addition is plus 9, right? Plus 9. Step 4 is divide the difference. Divide the difference by number of terms. right? So this difference, this deviation, net deviation will be divided by number of terms. How many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So divide by 5. So this becomes 1.8. 5 ones are 5 and 4 is 5 and 4. So 1.8. This is plus or minus? This is plus, right? This is plus. So we will have to add this plus 1.8, right? We'll add this 1.8 because this is positive. So our actual average will become 401.8. 401.8. I hope you have got this, right? We do not have to add all these numbers, right? Once you understand, the things becomes pretty much easy. You can do it mentally, guys, right? So using assume mean, but provided those numbers should be close to each other, not very much close, but at least logically somewhere they should be close, right? So again, one more example on that. So if you can see these numbers 2 3 2 3 2 4 2 2 2 4. Okay, so what can be our assumed mean? Our assumed mean, let's say, is 2400, right? This is assumed mean. So this is minus 9 from 2400. This term is minus 22. This term is plus 22. So this will ease our work. This is plus 8 now, right? So if we add up these deviation, minus 22 plus 22 will nullify the effect. So minus 9 and plus 8, by adding this we would get minus 1, right? So this is net deviation. Net deviation. What is our next step? We'll have to distribute this among four terms. So this becomes minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. Minus 1 upon 4 is nothing but minus 0.25. So this is minus 0.25. So our actual mean, our actual average in this case will be 2399.75, right? I hope this is pretty much clear now.